In this video, I shall be teaching us how to optimize the performance of your system. Sometimes you notice that on pressing your system, it hangs at some intervals, and you notice some misbehavior in the performance of the system. So one needs to check for updates in window and in security services. For instance, if I click here, you see Windows security, see actions recommended. So if I want to check this now, how do I go about it? Well, the first thing you have to do is that if you want to check if your system health is up to date, you go to settings. This is settings. You locate, this is settings. You open it. As it opens, you see this is updates and security. You click it. This is update and security. So this update and security, you will see again, this is window updates. Window updates at the top right, at the top left hand side, you see window updates. You see your device is missing important security and quality fixes. So you have to check for updates and update your Windows. So I'll be connected to internet after this video to perform window updates. So last checked is 2:17 a.m. So another thing you need to check again is window security. You see virus and threat protection actions recommended. So you need to check this very well, so that you now know where the problem is coming from when your system start misbehaving. Another is device performance and health. This is device performance. So this is a health report as of this date. So it's a window time service, no issues. Storage capacity, no issues. Battery life, no issues. Apps and softwares, no issues. So these and many more are what you shall be checking. Once you open your system, you go through the list and see if you can check for error. Either you need to update your Windows, or you need to scan your system and perform the necessary quality fixes. So in my next video, I shall be performing this window updates so that you see how it is run. If this is your first time of watching our videos, do well to subscribe, share it with to people that might need it. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.